recently I cut through my wire on this new hedge cutter I've got. I did it to my old one as well, but the old one I just taped back together. For this one I thought I'll use one of these connectors. This connector is called IP68. I thought it'll be more safer than taping it back together. I'll leave a link in the description where I got this from. I think at Amazon, about £3. So this is just a video of me putting it back together. So this is a 2-wire one. You can get a 3-wire one as well. So I've got both wires stripped back now. Before you start screwing these wires on, make sure you put these two on first. And when you're putting the other side on, make sure whatever wire you've got is running the same line, so blue and blue together, brown brown together, so that this side should be brown, this side should be blue. All done, just need to test it now. Right, nice and secure. Nice and secure. I don't have any fear of this coming off, but with this one, if someone yanks on it, it might come off. So next time if I do this again, I'll just buy one of these. Cheap enough.